Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. I need you to get your We Like Apples book, your individual book that you colored, and your iReader. Mrs. Hensley's having to use Forky because I'm going to use the end of Forky because Mrs. Hensley forgot to bring an iReader home with me. So, We Like Apples in your iReader. Your We Like Apples should already be colored and it should already have all the WEs for we on it. Okay, it should already have been able, you should have already done that. Okay, okay. So if you do not have that, go ahead and get that and push pause. Okay, I'm going to put it down here. Now, Mrs. Hensley is going to read it like this because this is how you guys are going to read it. Okay, you're going to read it with it facing you. Mrs. Hensley is going to show you how to do it this way. Now, you're going to get your iReader and you're going to say, We like apples. Oh, it's hard for you to see that, Mrs. Hensley, because it's white on my white paper. So I'm just going to pretend this is my iReader. We like, you're pointing to the L, like, and you're pointing to the A, apples. We like apples. Okay, your book should be facing you, and you should be saying we like apples like that. Okay, I'm just turning mine so you can see it and see how I'm reading it. We like apples. Okay, let's read that again. We like apples. Turn the page to page 3. We like apple cider. That C says S instead of K, doesn't it? We like apple cider. That's page 3. Now we're going to page 4. We like apple jelly. We like apple jelly. Okay, page 5, right here, page 5. We like apple pie. We like apple pie. Page 6. We really like apples. We really like apples. Okay, now I want you to read it with me, okay? And it's okay if you were reading it with me before, okay? We like apples. You should be reading yours facing you. We like apples, okay? How about I do, and then we do, and then you do it and get videotaped and send it to Mrs. Hensley. Let me do an I do, and I'll show you how I would read it if it were me. You're going to see it upside down because you're not facing me, okay? Because you're facing me. You're seeing it on the other side, so you're going to see it upside down. We like apples. I do. We like apples. Watch how Mrs. Hensley's pointing. We like apple cider. We like apple jelly. We like apple pie. We really like apples. Okay. Close your book to where it says we like apples. Now you're going to read it with me. You're reading your book, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to let you see my book while I'm reading, but you're reading your book. We like apples. Page 2. We like apples. I do not want you reading yours upside down, okay? I want it facing you when you are reading your book. And I also don't want it turned sideways. I don't want it turned upside down. I want it faced to you, okay? We like apple cider. Page 3. Now we're going to page 4. You reading it with me? We like apple jelly. You see that? Jelly. You're looking at the beginning sound to help you. Page 5. We like apple pie. And you can use the pictures to help you too. We really like apples. There's that exclamation point. You say it with excitement. We really like apples. Okay? Now, I want you to have someone videotape you using your iReader. This is Mrs. Hensley's pretend iReader because I don't have an iReader with me, and I tried to use Forky, but Forky is white, and you couldn't see Forky on my white book. So this is my pretend reader. You need to have your your iReader. You need to have your We Like Apples book. Should have your name on it. Should already be colored, and you are going to have it facing you while someone videos you, and you're going to go, We Like Apples by Mrs. Hensley. We like apples. We like apple cider. We like apple jelly. We like apple pie. We really like apples. Okay? I need you to video that. Hit the add response button. While you're reading this, have an adult or a family member or a sibling, brother or sister, videotaping you using your iReader to read the words. Remember, the book should be facing you. Okay? You're reading the entire book, including the cover. And then send it to Mrs. Hensley and hit the check mark button to send it to Mrs. Hensley. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon, friends. Have fun reading We Like Apples. I love these sight word books. And when you're finished with this, put it in a safe place inside your fish folder. You can get it out of your fish folder to read it anytime you would like, but put it in a safe place inside your fish folder so that way when we come back to school we can put it in your book basket. Okay? We like apples. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.